Hi, my name is Valentina. My last name is Zuluaga. This is my ID card. Okay, I am 23 years old. I work in the airport with Avianca. My occupation is service agent. I am married and happily in love. My birthplace is Manizales Caldas. In this moment, I don't live with my parents and my brothers because my parents live in Chinchina and I live in Pereira. My brothers live in other country. They are love of my life. I cannot find words for this. My parents have been married for 20 years old. This is very beautiful. I am a kind person. I like listen to music, in special of Adele. I like practice sport. I like read books about personal growth. These are very interesting. I don't like wait. This is horrible for me. My daily routine is to study and work. Is something complex because my work is long hours. Okay, this is my short history. Thank you.